Hey you guys, so I'm getting ready to do me a little grocery haul. This was all that I picked up. Krispy Kreme donuts, Reese's snack cake, Maple Meat Crazy butter, Taki sunflower seeds, Big's dill pickle sunflower seeds, Jack Link's sweet and hot beef jerky, hot fries, Carolina Reaper puffs, hot cheese popcorn, black and white fudge drizzle popcorn, Cold Stone sweet chaos birthday cake remix, Seafood Festival shrimp, snow crab and mussel, cheese puffs, hot cheese popcorn, cheddar sour cream Pringles, movie theater butter, ranch seasoning, hot buffalo style tuna, 2 packs of the sweet and spicy tuna, Parmesan cheese, Frank's red hot buffalo sauce, Old Bay hot sauce, 2 cheese and crackers, 2 Cloroxes, chicken and beef noodles, crackers, 2 of those party pizzas for Zari, Red Baron meat trio, 3 cases of Fiji water, 3 cases of juice, 2 packs of toilet tissue, pack of paper towels, 2 of these little TV dinners, plain bagels, 2 of these nachos and cheese and salsa, pumpkin spice cookies, all-purpose cleaner, Dawn dish detergent refill, dish detergent, 2 packs of Lysol wipes, OxyClean sanitizer, Downy Infusion Bliss fabric softener, Infusion Bliss scent boosters, 2 bags of these Gain Flings. I just picked up this tub so I can store my cleaning products in, and like paper towels and stuff. So I'm trying to stock up before it get, you know, crazy. Okay, so that was a little partial of my grocery haul. I still have to go back and get some more stuff, mainly like meats and stuff. It started raining, so I decided not to go to another store, so I'll probably try to do that tomorrow, or you know, before this week is out. Now I'm about to put these groceries away, so I'll be checking back in with y'all in a few. So I'm trying to do this envelope challenge, and it's where you have 100 envelopes. Right now I only have, I think it's 32, so I still have to go back and get some more. This was what I already had currently at the house, so I still want to go ahead and start. I did not want it to be my excuse. So basically you get some envelopes, and on them you label it 1 through 100, and you pick through the envelope, and whatever number you pick, that's how much money you got to put in the envelope. Now, based on how often you get paid, weekly, bi-weekly, or if you make extra money, and however often you put your money into the envelopes, that's how much you that's the faster way you can see the $5,000. So y'all, wish me luck, and if this is something that you guys are thinking about doing, please do it and let me know how it's working out for you. I know it's gonna be a week, 2 weeks, or a month where you're not gonna be able to, you know, put money in it, because of course, you know, you also got other things. You also got other things that you're trying to do, like bills, you know, and you also want to do something for yourself, and you know, be a blessing to others. However, I also want to keep in mind that I'm trying to save money, and I'm working towards something. And you can also like put little cute quotes up here to keep you motivated. So that's what I think I'm going to go back and do on my envelopes. And I know I can do it because I pay tithes, and by us not being in church right now, every time I get paid, I take out my tithes and I keep it away, and I save almost like $2,000 worth of tithes, you know, just saving it, not, you know, using it or spending it on anything. So I know if I can, you know, be that disciplined about, you know, taking my tithes out every time I get paid and putting it to the side and not, you know, spending it, then I feel like I can do that. So wish me luck, you guys. So I already have, you know, started it. The other day I have put I had picked the number 5, so I put $5 in this. I put $5 in this one. So I need to put that to the side so I won't repeat that again. And today I picked number 14. And so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's $14. You know, put it in this envelope. I'm gonna get me some stickers because I don't like looking envelopes. And there we go. We have $19 saved so far. Woo! We got some ways to go. I also have one of those jars that I had showed y'all in a previous vlog. I just been collecting change and pennies and stuff. And so that's something else I'm trying to do. Eventually, I know this is gonna be full, so I'm not gonna. I know I'm gonna have to find some. I know I'm gonna have to find something bigger to put my change in, but this is like a start. So that's that. And so we are about to. I'm gonna pick a number. So when I get paid again, whatever number I pick, that's how much I have to take out of my check and put it in the envelope. And hopefully the next time I get back up here and talk about it with y'all, I will have purchased the rest of my envelopes, and I will, you know, label them, you know, the whatever I stopped at, you know, through 100. So I'm just shuffling it up. Whatever this one is, this is what I have to take out my check. $1. Oh God. I have $1. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one right on in here. I'm gonna pick another one because that's not fair. Go ahead and put this little $1 in here. We have our $1. That's there. Okay, we're gonna shuffle these up some more because I'm not understanding. Let's see. Are we gonna go high or are we gonna go low? Okay, let's see. Oh, these too low. Let's try it again. Let's see. Okay, we can do this. 21. We're gonna do $21. So when I get paid Friday, $21 have to come out my check, and I got to save it. So yeah, y'all see it here. It's $21. So I'm about to put some stuff in here. I have, you know, paper towels already open. This is like all like my cleaning stuff. And that stuff there. I got some more stuff I got to find. Just trying to get it all organized and so I can be able to put it in here. So now I'm about to prop y'all up. And I'm trying to think, like, should I, let's do it this way. I don't know. Okay. Piece of hair in my mouth. Cause yeah, this is not going to work.
This is to be in there for. I don't want my paper towels to be squished. That's how I can do it.
I don't know, y'all, how I'm about to do this. And I already had these 2 extra ones. And I still gotta go back and pick up some more because I can't be too sure. But when they gonna start, okay, shoot. Okay, so far I got the paper towels in there, and I still got more stuff that I got to figure out where I got to put it at. So like I said, I think I'm gonna have to go back and get another one. I like to keep these candles because I like to get the leftover wax out of it and burn it, because I'm getting all my coins worth from Bath and Body Works. So that's why I saved those, a few of those that I still got to dig the wax out of, because your girl's gonna get all her wax. And once I figure out how I'm gonna do the other part, I'm gonna keep y'all posted, because yeah, it's just not enough room. So I'm gonna have to figure out another solution. About to watch some YouTube. If you hear some water running in the background, that's because Zori's in the shower. And I'm just about to watch Jada Jonay. She haven't posted a vlog in a while, and this is her channel, Jada Jonay. I love her channel. And she has a new video, week in my life blog, packing self. I'm not sure what self is. It's not having the whole thing up there, but yeah, this is the vlog.
Very hectic. This is probably the beginning of a very long vlog.
I am about to try this little snack, so I'm gonna eat this while I watch Jada. Let's see how they taste. I'm gonna let you know how they taste right quick. Y'all, I don't mind buying stuff and trying it. So this is what it looks like. And this, all you see all that, they could have filled it up a little bit more. Be playing you. Let's see. That tastes pretty good. That's good. It's good if you like sweet and salty stuff together, mixed together. It's like trail mix. That's good. And they are the Cold Stone Creamery Sweet Chaos Birthday Cake Remix. Okay, you you guys, so this wraps up for today's video. If you have any questions on anything I have said or showed you in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. How else y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.